All right, Bob, here we are. We're talking about
we are.
workouts at home. You and I have been working out at home for years. I think we're pretty much experts at this.
I'm welcome at home.
Three things that really I think are important for a home workout is quality equipment, and it demands muscle work that
Right.
the way you want it. Variable resistance easily takes up little floor space so you can still function in your
Agree.
house, and it's priced right. We're going to show you a system that does all these.
I concur.
And Bob concurs. You can't go wrong with that.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
All right, Bob and I had mentioned, have used this system well over 5 years on
At
a
least.
very consistent basis.
Right.
Our walls are set up to do these exercises with these bands.
I got it in a bedroom,
Yours is in the bedroom.
Right.
I got mine downstairs, and
a
it's
spare bedroom.
well. I thought you keep one in another room too. We'll
Ah,
we'll show you. You
oh.
can put this anywhere in the household.
Right.
So we'll be with you in a second and show you exactly how it works. Okay, for resistance, for strengthening, and what we're going to use are bands, resistance bands. You can see we have a set right here. This is how they oftentimes are sold in a set of 5 with different colors, and each color represents a different resistance. Along with that, you'll typically get 2 handles like this.
And I'm really proud of ours
Right.
because we got good handles.
Right. Yeah, if you don't know what to buy and you want to make sure you get some good ones, ours are quality. That's what we use
Right.
at home for years. They work very well. Along with that, they come with a anchor, which fits in the door. So
Can
you
we
can.
cut away right now and show that?
Yeah, okay, go ahead. Okay, so with bands like we have here, you'll get handles. You'll get usually 4 or 5 bands or different colors, different resistances, and they will give you a door anchor that looks like this, or at least make sure you get one when you order your set, but I think they all do. With the door, to demonstrate it, you put it in there, and you simply close the door, and make sure, that's a good example of what you want to make sure the door is locked, and then you can pull on this, and as long as no one walks through the door, you're safe. It's going to work out well. Now, you can do it at this level. You can do it over the top of the door, and you can slide it all the way down and do the same thing at the bottom end. And you're going to find out why that's important in just a little bit. So let me just show you what it looks like once we got it all connected. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. You have your bands, you put it through the loop, closing the door. Obviously, I have it at the high level. There will be some exercises from this level that you can do, and we're going to go through and show you how this works at 3 different levels. Hold on, we'll be right back. So now you've seen the door anchor,
Door
and
anchor, right.
we have the wall anchor, which works better, but you don't have to buy the wall anchors. But if you do, they work really well. We're going to show you exactly how they work. It's very important. Here's a sample of one where you actually, here's one wall anchor. You put it on the drywall. You have to have wooden studs in the back of your house. If you don't, which vast majority of houses do. And here's actually the screw, and the length of the screw goes into that stud, so it's very safe. They hold up to 800 pounds. There's no problem with quality. As far as those wall anchors, if you go to bobandbrad.com, our website, you'll get 4 anchors
instead of 3.
which on Amazon you get 3. We give you 4 for the same price,
Right.
free shipping. And also we've got 2 nice videos on how to install the wall anchor properly. It's also in the directions with the brochure, but either way, it's important that you get it done right. It's no big deal. Just check it out. All right, so now we're going to get on to 10 different exercises for a full body workout for a good beginner.
Brad, how much do the anchors and the bands cost?
A good point. They're actually $39.95 a piece, so that equals $80.
$80.
And if you can get them on sale, that's fine. If you get some cheaper ones that aren't ours, good luck. Hopefully they will last well, but you want to get good quality,
Right.
so they last. Okay, Bob, shall we
A
continue
full
on?
workout for $80 for years to
Right,
come.
yep. And here we go. Let's start out. Okay, here we go. The wall anchors, if you have our set, which is 4, definitely put one up here, above head level, chest level, and low. There will be an extra one. You can I would do a little workout first and see where you
Sure.
want. Mine, I have an extra one at chest level at home because it works very well. Okay, first exercise from the high level, and this is a beauty. You can use 2 bands because I'm strong like bull. I need 2 bands.
You could actually use 3.
Yep, you can fit 3 through the anchor easily. And I'm going to work the lats.
Really hard to work lats.
Yep,
though.
it's hard to get something set up at home where you
Right.
can pull down from overhead resistance. Now you can see I'm against the wall, shoulders back, forces me to have good posture. And I'm working my legs here as well. If you don't feel comfortable doing that isometric chair, just have a stool and work those lats from here and work your 10 repetitions or whatever
You
your
look
interest.
like you're going to fly away.
Right, yeah, this is your flying exercise. You can go down in front to get different muscle groups as
Right.
well. And from here, I really like to add triceps. Arms against the wall, elbows flat, good posture, head back, and isolate the triceps. It's a really nice way to do this as well.
Oh, awesome.
Yep, puts the shoulders in neutral position. You can't go wrong with it.
Right.
All right. Second exercise, you can keep it at this level. It's flies going this direction. And the nice thing, this is too hard for me. So I'm going to go in a little closer, and the variable resistance is just absolutely easy and wonderful to work with. You can work that way. You don't even have to let go of the handles, switch around, and then working the opposite muscle group as well. And that's the way I typically do mine, is work opposite muscle groups. It's efficient and a good way to work out. All right. Okay, the next one, rotator cuff muscles, which this is one of the great beauties of the bands. Don't you agree, Bob?
Absolutely.
These small, important muscles for the shoulder, you really should use resistance bands.
Right.
Especially to do them standing. I just easily put the band on the wall anchor like that, and I'm going to do this external rotation exercise. Elbow stays in close to the shoulder, not this,
Don't let it wing out.
not this. And then I can also do the other side and do the internal rotation. And that's a little weak, so I'm going to double it up, which is another way to vary the resistance. And there we go. Now I'm at the right resistance level. Okay, from that level, then we can also do scapular retraction. Bob, can you show I'm working that posture?
Squeeze the shoulder blades together.
Yep. That's absolutely critical. Chest out,
And he's
shoulder
in good
blade.
posture while he does it.
Yep. Oh, boy, that feels good, too. The next one, a core exercise,
This is a
Bob.
great exercise.
Stir the pot.
Right.
So on this, I like to use the lighter one, put the handles together. I'm out like this in an athletic position.
A lot harder than it looks.
Oh, yeah. Right now, my stomach is tight. And as I do this, it really is working. You can tell by the tone of my voice, go both directions. Usually you can count the number of revolutions or set a timer.
Right.
Or go until you get tired, which won't be too long. Make sure you do
Both
both.
sides.
Yep, absolutely. Okay. Yeah, I definitely feel that. I feel tight already, Bob. Yep.
Great.
The next one, this is where you can really get the cardio.
Right.
Bob, you've always kind of liked this one, and I do too. This is one I use in the winter time when I'm not outside running.
Yep.
As I'll go like this, I can
In
run.
high intensity.
Yep. Get some resistance on, put whatever resistance you need, and you simply run in place, and you can run forward and backwards, and it works very nicely. High knees, oh! You can have a lot of fun with it, and that's enough for me right now because I don't want to get too sweaty on this
You're in an
video.
apartment, maybe not.
Well, yeah,
Higher
it depends on your neighbors below.
Right.
Run with soft feet.
Soft feet.
And now, when you purchase your band set, make sure you get a set that has this.
Yeah, most of them do.
Yeah,
A cuff.
yeah, it goes around your ankle. I already have one on. It's Velcro. Simply hook that on there. Again, with the wall anchor, it really is handy. I'm going to lock it on here. I can even leave the handle on that, and it's fine. I'm going to use a stick for balance. You don't need to. Hold a chair, a wall, or maybe you don't even need it. And I'm going to work hip this direction, flexion, hip abduction, and do these for, you may do them for 30 seconds if you got more.
4 directions.
Yep, 4 directions. And there's a number of other exercises you can do with the strap around the ankle. But that's a real basic one that works great. Can't go wrong with it. All right, this next one, if you are familiar with kettlebell, we have one here, and there's this one where you do this motion.
Kettlebell swing.
Yeah, I am not a kettlebell person, Bob is, but I like this option. You can work with the bands. It's usually more weight. I got 2 bands again on the lower anchor.
Right.
Step over it, straddle it, grab both hands like this, get your good posture position,
And
bring it
off you
down,
go.
and get the right distance from the wall. Whoa! And this really is nice for the quads,
Right.
the glutes, the back,
Buttock.
arms a little bit.
Right. It's
There
the
you
full
go.
body.
Yeah, it is a nice workout. I'm getting tired. We gotta hold my energy. All right, Bob. We gotta have squats involved.
Right.
It's different with the bands than it is with real weight, but this is actually good. It works balance quite a bit more. There's 2 options. You're gonna typically use a heavier band. I got the black one on the lower ankle.
Maybe 2 or 3.
Yep, 2, 3, whatever you want. And I'm going to put my arms like this with good posture, vary resistance by distance from the wall, and work your squat here. You are pulling at a little bit of an angle
There
up.
you go, right.
Yep. And if you want to get a different angle, this is what I like to do. Simply, I've got another 2 bands doubled up together like this, and then you can see it's more of a vertical
Right.
force. Works nice. So you can work both of them to get different muscle groups. It works your balance differently.
Good posture.
Yeah. This was not on my list, but I really like this one.
Right.
Oh, it's good for those abductors of the hips. Good for balance.
Really get weak in a lot of people.
Yeah, if you really want to improve your jump rope, improve your ability to dance, perhaps a Charleston, that one will help. Okay, we cannot forget curls. The old curls for the girls.
Right.
I don't know if you can say that anymore without getting in trouble, but I like it. So like here, good posture, and I'm curling up like this. Really good way to isolate these. And, you know,
Really lengthens the bicep.
yeah, it's just a good isolation and good mechanics. And you can double it up like Bob likes to do and really get that extra 2 or 3 max. And, you know, your bulging bicep will become massive.
What happened to me?
I don't know what's going on. Okay, one more. Bob, last but not least, another core exercise. This is a little more advanced. Not
Yeah, it's tough
everyone.
too.
Yep, not everyone's going to do this one, but we thought we'd throw it in there. You can do it from this angle or from the lower one. I'm going to do it from here. We'll put it in, wrap it around, nice and locked in. And everyone, if you watch our videos, you know I do not like stationary planks. I don't think they're the best. This is a much better way to do planks with motion, and you just hold on to the band and you go sideways and you pull. Come back to here and pull. Again, resistance varied by color of
Really
band.
tough to do, Brad.
Yep. Good shoulder, arm, core strength. And of course, you're going to make sure you do both sides. All of these, 10 repetitions is a good goal to start with. You can vary it at your own
Very
liking.
impressive, Brad.
Yeah, there's no doubt this will satisfy a full body workout.
Right.
And balance.
Make you breathe heavy and sweat.
Yeah, I got to change, Bob.
I agree.
We need
Change it to something.
We need showers in this studio. Enjoy.
Thanks.